Build your life, do it yourself.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So like you can see with the title, today I'm making a paper lantern for Memorial Day or really any other USA patriotic holiday, 4th of July, Labor Day, or just wanting to be patriotic. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So what you're gonna need is some construction paper, some red, white, and blue colors. I have red and blue construction paper, and I didn't have white, so I just have this printer paper, which is totally fine. So you're also going to need some scissors, some glue. I'm just using a glue stick because it dries fast, or if you want to do Elmer's glue with the kids, you can. It just takes a long time. And then I might be using a stapler for part of this as well. So we want to pick the color that we want to be dominant for our lantern, which is going to be the majority of the lantern, the top part of it. So I'm going to pick red for mine. So I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise like this. Just like that. You can do it the other way if you want, but it might be a little bit too small if you do it that way. So then what we're going to do is we're going to be cutting slits upward all the way down. I'm going to leave about 1.5 inches on top for the top and the bottom of the lantern. A little bit too skinny right there, but that's okay. If you want, you can draw your lines on here first, but I'm not going to do that today. Just make one more little one right here. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is gonna make some little streamers to hang off of our lantern. So we're gonna be cutting some strips of our other colors. Mine is gonna be the white and blue to hang from the lantern. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and you can make them as skinny or as large as you want. And if you have those scissors that are like wavy or make crinkles or zigzags, you know, that might be fun to do too, but I don't have any right now. So I'm just gonna do straight. All right, let's see. I have 6 of the white, and I'll try 6 of the blue and see if that's enough. The blue is gonna be a little bit longer. This sheet of paper is a little bit larger. Okay, 6 of the white, 6 of the blue. Okay, so now I have all my slits. This way is going to be the way that's bending outward. So for the next part, I'm going to flip this over to where the bend is going downward to start gluing on my little streamers. Either gluing or stapling, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to try and use the glue stick for mine. I'm probably not going to start all the way on the edge because there's going to be an overlap on these two ends. I'll start just a little bit inward. This. Glue sticks usually dry fairly quick. I don't really like using Elmer's school glue, regular school glue, for many things. It takes too long. Okay, there's that. You can space them out a little more if you want. And the blue is a little bit longer, but that's okay. I kind of like the varying length. A little bit crooked here. Just alternating my colors, or whatever pattern you want to do. Trying to squeeze one more blue in there on this end. Okay, so I used 11 of the 12. Okay, fix that. Okay, now when your streamers are all dry, you can go ahead and do the next step. I think this should be fine. It's just the glue sticks. So, make sure that side is still down. I'm just trying to adjust it so you can see it. So I'm going to be rolling this over and having these ends meet to make the lantern. Okay, so I'm going to just staple up here. I think it's much easier to staple this part. Maybe tape or just some fast drying glue. So you have to sit here and hold it in this position. I'll grab my stapler. I've had the stapler for a very long time. All right, so apparently my stapler is out of staples, so I'm going with the glue stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue. Let's see. But I would probably recommend a stapler, or a glue stick might work as well. I don't have time to search for staples at the moment. So there's that. Now I'm gonna put a little on here because those ends are gonna be going together, just in case, if you can see. I'm gonna fold these over like this and hold it like that. Try and line them up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna pinch this one a little bit because I really want that part to hold. Okay. I know not all of my viewers are from the USA, so obviously you could use the colors for your country or whatever colors you want to use. Just thought it'd be fun to do for Memorial Day with that coming up here in the US. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some more glue down at the bottom here. And then do this end. Okay, I'll put those there. I'll line that up. Hold that for a minute. Okay, so there's that so far. Okay, and one more thing is we need a handle because we need to be able to hang it. So I think I'm probably just going to use glue, some of this leftover glue, and put a strap from here. There's that. On the inside, I guess. Put some glue in here. A little bit on here, it's gonna go on there. Okay, so I'm gonna do that end right there and hold that. do the other side. Make our strap. On this side as well. Oh, put it on the wrong side. This side as well. Hold that. Okay, and once that's all dried, then you are all finished. Okay, so just to give you guys a better look, I hung it up here on the wall. There is the little lantern. You can hang it from some strings or just do one or two on the wall. I think it's just very cute craft to do with the kids, or like I said, just for some cute decorations, because I do really think that it does look cute. It's very easy. So long it's hard to show on the camera very well. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care. Happy Memorial Day.